and I want to keep them safe. Whenever the stroller has a slow slope, it gets away from the parent. Parents get easily distracted from phones, talks, conversation, and whatever around them. And there's a lot of accidents. We invented stroller sense to enable parents to have an automatic brake on the stroller according to distance. Let's check it now. I'm turning on the app, putting it in my pocket, and it stops. We can configure it to a few meters, we can configure it to speeds, to acceleration, and eventually also put it on wheelchairs, or
something's gonna explode, yeah.
Let me introduce to the team. We have Sonia, who did our UI in UX. We have Ram. Who did all the electrical stuff, and I did the iOS stuff. And we have a winning product, which will save eventually baby's life. Thank you.
Can I put it on the leg of someone?
Maybe in the next version.
Electric shock.
Actually, one of the future applications would be to put it in watches and bracelets, and it doesn't matter if you want to put the cell phone in your leg, it will calculate the distance from your cell phone to the.
For real, how many? You said something.
12,000 accidents with strollers every year.
Only in the U.S.
Only in the US.
And this is the ones that have gone into the emergency room, so probably there are more than those.
From this case scenario? So
From a lot of, it can also be that you're walking in a bus, it's a stroller, but there's a lot of accidents that relate. There's a lot of accidents that relate to slopes. That the parent is not distracted, not paying attention, and it goes slowly or fast.
can it slap the parent?
Maybe another feature. Maybe.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys. So up next is girls. Girls, how do you pronounce it? Bread and butter. Can you come up and get set? Bread and butter? Can you come up here and get ready? No. Woo! Woo! Fun?
טוב, אז יש איזושהי בעיה בלימודי גיאומטריה או תרגול בגיאומטריה לקראת בגרות או לקראת כל מיני דברים כאלה, שגם הנושא הוא טיפה יותר משעמם משאר החלקים במתמטיקה, וגם קשה קצת להתכונן מולו כי קשה להשיג פידבק במהלך הדרך. מה שבעצם באנו לעשות זה איזושהי גמיפיקציה של תרגילים בגיאומטריה, שבעצם מה שאפשר לעשות, מה שקורה זה שהוא בדרך כלל נותן פידבק, אז אם נגיד אני אומר איזשהו משהו שהוא לא נכון לוגית או לא קשור למה שהולך, אז הוא מטריע, ונמשך הוא כאילו כמה שיותר אינטראקטיבי. מה שעשינו באמצעות פאבנאפ זה לחבר את כאילו ליצור איזשהו מערכת לוגית שרצה כרגע על המחשב הזה. עם המחשב הזה, עם הממשק מדבר עם המחשב הזה, שולח לו את הקונפיגורציה כרגע של הבעיה ואת הדברים שהמשתמש נותן, והוא מחזיר פלט אם זה נכון או לא נכון, או מה בדיוק הבעיה. זה, אני חושב, יותר מרשים מאשר לראות את זה קורה, זה ממש לנסות בעצמכם ולנסות לבלבל אותו וכאלה, כי כאילו פה זה כזה, אוקיי, יש פה משהו שהיה כתוב נכון, בסבבה, אבל ממש כשמשחקים זה, אז אפשר לראות איך העסק פועל.
אפשרתם לעשות את זה יותר צבעוני,
אפשר כמובן, אבל
של
זה
ילדים
כמובן
כזה.
עניין של זמן הגדיל אותנו גם ליצור מערכת גיאולוגית וגם ליצור איזשהו UI שהוא סביר.
אפשר להרחיב את זה גם מעבר לגיאומטריה?
בטוח שכן, כלומר, בטח אפשר לעשות כאילו אלגברה או כל תחום אחר, מתמטיקה אנליטית.
מעניין.
יש לכם מספרים? כאילו שאתם מוזכר מהמתחרים שלכם?
לא במיוחד. אני לא מכיר כזה דבר, אבל יכול להיות סתם שאני לא מכיר מספיק דברים. אני לא נתחלתי בזה שהייתי בזה. זה מה שאני רואה.
אוקיי, תודה רבה. Okay. Bread and butter is up, and can I have book a book? You guys ready? Yeah? Okay. 3, 2, 1, you have 2 minutes.
Hey everyone, I'm Itai Ebenheim.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Or. And we're Bread and Butter. So you know what? I'm disgusted by the fact that in my hometown, Los Angeles, there's $80.5 million worth of food being thrown away by restaurants that should be being donated. You know what? That translates to $40.25 million that could be saved by those restaurants. And the way we've done that is we built a mobile application and a web application that allows restaurants to list food that's left over and allows the food banks to see when it's ready and to pick it up. Now I'm going to hand it off to Jordan, who's going to talk a little bit more about the mobile application.
So I'm going to run you guys through our mobile application for the restaurants to list the foods and the ingredients that they have that they want to give away. So once you sign in, you can easily choose how many units, pounds, ounces of any type of food. And we have an autofill, so I type LE and lemons comes up. And I can add another item really easily. And let's say turnips. And I click next. And then this is my confirmation page, and I can say what day, today or tomorrow, what time for the food bank to come pick it up. And I click donate. And then the web app will be updated, and the food banks can see all the different restaurants and what items are available to be picked up at what times. And so yeah, Amor is going to run you through the web app and how that works.
Right. So I'll show you how the web app of Bread and Butter works. So basically, we got the food banks. So they log into the system, and that's what they see. They see a listing of all the latest postings, of the shipments that are available from restaurants. So all they have to do is basically claim a shipment, but they can choose that basically by either by location or by the time of the pickup. Once they do that, they get to that page where they can mark the shipment as collected once they did that by sending the truck, or something similar. We also got, all right, sorry. Any questions so far? Yeah, there's a question.
Is there a way to track the savings that these things?
Oh, really?
This.
Wow. I wonder why the question takes off from the point that I ended.
Yeah, so basically on the restaurant app, every time they add something, it adds it to their database, and we're tracking all this information. And in this app, they can see how much food they've donated and how much money they're saving. And at the end of the year, we also produce the receipt for them to get the tax deductible and save the money.
And we monetize by taking 18% of that tax refund that they receive.
How is it being done today? So they don't have any system that they work with?
So there aren't a lot of organized systems. There's one in New York that does something similar, but most of them are nonprofits and they're ineffective because restaurants don't want to take the time out to do it. Communication is terrible. They'll tell them, you know what, we'll come at 11, but some nights there aren't food. So the biggest problem is communication, which is what we're facilitating here. So it's really something that's revolutionary because the business is kind of like in the Stone Age. I mean, it's really just like phone calls and stuff like that, and that's a problem. We want to make it easy, and we want to provide incentives.
And do you plan to rate those restaurants, those who gave more, those who gave less, rate restaurants even more?
Like give a stamp,
Like a social rating.
Yeah,
Social incentive.
So we thought that, yeah, one of the benefits besides the tax refund, obviously, is that the restaurants can go and say to the community, look at the good we're doing. They can use it on their social media campaigns, and it's just overall a good PR move for them as well.
And up here, you can see actually pounds tracked. So they can say to the public, you know, we donated, you know, like 1,000 pounds this month or something like that.
And they can also track against the other stores that are donating and seeing how they're matched up compared to them.
All right, guys, thank you very much. So we have a book now, and I'd like to have next there.
בארצות הברית, כל מה שאתה קורא, בארצות הברית אנחנו אומרים שכל מה שאתה קורא עם השעון של הזמן הוא WMS.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
You have 2 minutes.
Okay, thanks. My name is Amir, and this is Zorach and Ayelet. We formed our group here, and we had a lot of fun, but not much of sleep. We decided to enable people to exchange books between themselves freely. So we developed a service called Book a Book, in which you can donate books and just take books from donators. What
How do
actually
they pick them out?
they just they go to the first screen, they see the browse screen, they see the books ordered in the list or in categories according to the distance. Like this person is really close to you, he's also in Costa Rica and he's willing to exchange a book with you. And it's also it has also search and filters for your like if you like non-fiction or fiction. You can easily offer a book in the app. Like you can take a picture of the book. We also have a web service to take the format articles of the book from, let's say, Amazon or Goodreads. But still, users will want to see how the book looks like the actual physical book. We like the idea very much because it's really simple, and people want to share books, and people want to take books and exchange ideas.
Just how do you add a book? Just press the button, you have the camera on, just take the picture of the book.
Yeah, the app is really simple actually.
Yeah, the book, there. Just type the title, the description.
Do I
and
have
it
when I need it back?
Thank you very much.
It's not long.
I just
Yeah.
Okay.
The idea is to implement a credit system or something like that, but it's not implemented.
Credit not like money wise, but like a user will have points and less points according to how much he gives. Yeah, she gives what he gives. And the idea is that if you give enough, you can just use the like credit free because you're a donator, so it's good. And I've been asked about the business model, so others and other businesses can promote their books, and that's it actually.
Also, there is another feature that we don't have the simulator is the board of the chat, and we have now that everybody can post. I like this book. We have 10 reviews to give or things like that. General message to everybody.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. So, next up is text there, and I need Vitago. Come on and set your computer and stuff.
Shalom, ותודה שבאתם להקשיב. My name is Cliff, אופק in Israel. I, in the past, have launched 2 successful products. This is Itai. He has developed and launched over 30 iPhone apps, one of which was ranked 6th in the social networking category of the App Store in the United States. On our team is also another iOS developer who's brilliant, an Android developer, and a kick-ass graphic designer who is only 18. In the past 24 hours, we have built, 16. In the past 24 hours, we built TextDare. TextDare is a truth or dare-like game that you play through Facebook on your mobile phone. Basically, you get a Facebook message with either a dare that you can complete, or it'll send a risky message to a random contact from your friend list.
So here's the iOS version of the app. We also have an Android version working. And when you open the app, you can log in really quickly with just one click through Facebook. And you can see the challenges that I've sent, pending responses, and you can also see challenges that I've received from other friends. So if I open the one from Alon, he challenged me either to send the risky message, I love you, to a randomly selected friend, in this case Joe, or instead I can do a video dare and record a backflip. So in this case, I'm going to choose to record a backflip. I can choose the video, and this video I can send it after putting it through a compression algorithm. I can send the video through our server code directly to Alon's phone, and then I can decide to dare him back. I can put in another message that he might not want to send, like, I'm never talking with you again. And if I have trouble coming up with an idea for a dare, either video or photo, I can look at the suggestions. Maybe I choose lick a bar of soap for the dare.
This app is incredibly simple, and yet the design is quite sleek. The beautiful part about it is it's a really addictive type of game. And it goes viral very, very quickly because you send the message to your friends through Facebook. And so there's an exponential growth curve because every additional player invites 2 or 3 or 4 other people to play with them. We are really excited about making more social games like these and using and working with AngelHack to expand them and using their mentorship.
Is it just a one-on-one game?
So to answer the question that we just had, which was it a one-on-one game?
Is it a one-on-one, or can you create a bigger group?
Currently it's 101, but we do envision that it might work well also with 3 or 4 people.
Yeah, and the app's backend allows you to manage multiple games at the same time, in the same way that with Snapchat you can have multiple conversations.
Okay, any questions, guys? Judges?
Woo!
Where's circle? Or bubble, cloud, how do you call it?
Circle.
Okay, circle? What's circle? לא, יש לך זה? ג'יי?
כדורגל? כן, הכל טוב.
Good. I'm excited. It's fun. Woo! Let's give it a moment.
Yep.
Here it is.
Okay.
All right. I'm Ari. I'm here with my friends Eloi, Dima, Shachal, and Moshe. And we really wanted to do something special that can benefit people and make life more productive. And we did a market research, we realized that the students have a really big problem. They watch video lectures, tutorials, and they spend a lot of time trying to find a specific moment inside a video when the lecturer talks about something. Or maybe finding a subject or a topic inside many videos. So we actually developed a Vitago that enables students and actually any other people to tag specific moments inside videos, enable other people just find the videos with the specific tags and actually jump to the specific moments inside a video. So I'll give you a small example. We actually did something really cool. First of all, it's really intuitive, it's really easy. I can search, I can put Vitago, and actually you can see the results from YouTube that have this word. And actually we uploaded when you announced Vitago, so you can see it here, and you can actually, I can play the video. This is you, yeah? You can just click here. And this is like we're announced we jumped right to the place where we announced, and this is something you can do with any kind of video. It can be great in educational video. You can jump to specific subjects in math and like anything. You can take this to many different types of videos. You can do it to sports, and you can tag goals and very specific moments in sports. You can actually take this to many other areas of expertise, and this is very intuitive, very easy, and we really like doing it. And this is it. Thank you very much. Question? Oh yeah. By the way, we can just we write a tag it, and it that's the tag with the specific time. Yeah, it's very simple. Thank you very much. Woo!
Circle. Thought on? Get ready, guys. The name? Okay. And to the road we go.
Hello everyone, this is Ram, Guy and Alex, and we developed an app called Circles. So the idea is very simple, a chat but based on locations, or as we like to call it, circles. So you have this map, and you can just define with your fingers a little radius in which all the people in your radius and your interests can talk to each other. So for example, if you want to go for a run or go for a jog with someone in your area, say a 100-meter radius, you can define the runners group, which is, and define a radius of 100 meters. There's unlimited number of options. In fact, just before we saw an app that wanted to, for taxi sharing. So you could just have the people in your area, say 100-meter radius again, that want to share a taxi to, say, Jerusalem. It's unlimited possibilities. Say you want to borrow milk from your neighbor, but it's not so nice nowadays to go and knock on someone's door. You can just define the radius of the people in your neighborhood. Can I borrow some milk? If there's someone who want to borrow you some milk, then they'll just be able to chat to you and say, give you the milk.
Yeah, can I have a phone?
Yeah.
Let me show you something.
By the way, the app was developed with Node.js, Sales.js also, and we used with a lot of appreciation. Yeah, they really helped us create the chat.
Yeah, so right now, the app actually wants me to join AngelHack Circle. It's a circle just right about here, and everyone with this app can join.
Any questions?
Thank you.
No, thank you guys. Welcome, and we have Tripster coming up next. What's Tripster?
right, real quick, by show of hands, how many of you are web developers? All right, a lot of you. Now, I want you guys to listen up, and those who want to be web developers, because what we do will help you. So, Photon is basically a web IDE, which gives its users a way to have an instant backend to run server code on. So, for example, PHP in the example we have built here in the hackathon, runs PHP with MySQL as a database. Now, this is what we wanted to do is take those very long 2-hour sessions of setting up servers and configs and all those types of things and put them in one simple package that can be set up in seconds. So let's go through a simple demo here. You can see some small PHP code that echoes something nice. And if we go here to the preview button, it opens up quickly. You can see this code runs on my machine, offline, in a server that's been set up by the software instantly.
Now, another thing we decided to implement is a database structure that helps you really manage your database in a more intuitive way. We kind of took all kinds of ideas from modern game engines and stuff like that, where they have a very slick design of connecting nodes to each other and kind of helping you manage your entire database in a more intuitive way.
So also to put a kind of an exclamation on the part that makes it intuitive and friendly to the user, we used PubNub right there to do this really simple messaging system which any user can type in a question that he has about the software, and a different user will have a pop-up on his screen that can answer the question or pass it along to a different user. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.
Okay, any questions so far? Good. Chief, sir.
And coming up next, the last pitch for today is Game of Buttons.
Right, okay. Hi everyone, I'm Tel, this is Daniel. We both serve in the IDF, and as soldiers, we value vacations very, very much. And we know how difficult vacations can be. You need to plan them. You can either go to like a travel agent and order a vacation and go with 50 people you've never met to not uninteresting places, or you can call your friends up and talk to them and convince them to come with you. And it's all very difficult. What we suggest is Tripster.
This is Tripster. This is what we've been working on for the last 24 hours. Basically, you have two options on the website. You either choose a trip that somebody else have already arranged. Okay, you can see the flights details, and you can see the different places you'll get to visit. You can see on the map where you'll go, and you can join us. You can join us on the trip. Join me and Tal. Or if you want to go the extra mile, then you can create your own trip. If I just click on create, I'll go to this screen. This is a screen that already filled out some of the details. This is drinking wine in Italy. It's going to be a food drink, and it's in Italy. Yeah, that's right.
Now the idea is that you're going to save money by creating a group. You're going with 20 other people, so you're going to get discounts from our suppliers who work with us to give you discounts for hotels and flights and attractions. So the idea is that you can save money the same way you do with organized trips with travel agents, and also have a platform for meeting new people and doing the trips you like and enjoy, and not being tied up in a bus with 50 people.
So yeah, this is basically what you do. You submit your trip, and then you can join other people's trips. And where we take profit is from commission and also premium packages for hotels and other people like that. We promote your hotel. And thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them.
Yeah.
Can you connect with the other members of the trip?
Of course, you can see everyone that's on your trip. This is Tal Gunfer, okay, and I can go to his Facebook page, or this is me, I'm the organizer, that's why it's in a circle. And it's very different than going on an organized trip where you just sit in a bus where you don't know anyone, and here you see who's going on the trip. You can get to choose if you want to go or if you don't. Any other questions?
So,
yeah.
Does it show the vacations that your like Facebook friends are creating, or how is it?
No, it's just random people from the internet. You can see that like 8 people out of 20 have joined, and you have to join 20 people by that date. And if you join by that date, then that trip is guaranteed to actually happen, and you will receive the discount that we guarantee as the middleman. Yeah.
What with liability? Like, something you're on the trip, and something is going wrong.
Yeah. It's a good question. It's a good question. We haven't thought out like the legal aspects. Obviously, it's a question for a lawyer. But yeah, there's like many aspects, many business aspects to figure out. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. And the last but not least, game of butter.
טוב, שלום לכולם.
רגע.
שלום לכולם. לי קוראים איתן, זה רונן וזה דניס. אנחנו כתבנו אפליקציה שמאוד מאתגרת. היא משלבת עניין של חברותיות עם עניין של תחרות, ובעצם יוצרת ממשק מאוד פשוט, אבל עם זאת גם שמאפשר לתקשר עם חברים נוספים. אז מה קורה כאן בפועל?
טוב, אז בעצם יש לנו פה כפתור אדום, לא יודע אם רואים את זה כל כך טוב פה, אבל כפתור אדום, שבעצם המטרה זה ללחוץ עליו כמה שיותר פעמים, ובכך להתחרות מול החברים שלך, שבעצם פה יש לנו את החברים מהפייסבוק, שהם מחוברים גם, וכמו שאתם רואים הם גם עכשיו משחקים, והמטרה זה לעקוף אותם. כמובן שכרגע זה קצת קשה, אבל בסדר.
מתי הקאונטר מתאפס?
הוא לא מתאפס.
לעולם.
זה כל הקטע של המשחק, זה לעקוף את החברים שלך.
אז השתמשנו כאן בפייסבוק API כדי בעצם להתחבר לפייסבוק ולקחת ממנו נתונים. כתבנו שרת ששומר את הנתונים, ובעצם זה היה מאוד מאתגר ומעניין, וזה נראה גם ממש טוב, אז תודה רבה לכם. יש שאלות?
אז הורידו ושחקו.
גם אתם אמרנו עכשיו בפלייסטור, אז אפשר להוריד.
איך אתם הולכים לעשות מזה כסף?
פרסומות, קודם כל. ודבר שני כצפוי, זה האפליקציה הכי ויראלית בעולם, אז
יפן אולי.
זה ישלמו לנו ככה סתם.
ניתוחים של העצם.
זה האפליקציה הכי ויראלית בעולם, אז תראו לו ברור.
מה השיא ומי מחזיק אותו?
אז
אפשר לקנות את החיצות?
שאלו פה איך אני יודע מי קיבל את השיא של הניקוד. אז השיא של הניקוד זה ביחס לקבוצת החברים שלך.
לא, מה השיא ומי מחזיק אותו?
אז אני מחזיק את השיא, כולם לדעת.
כמה?
10,500.
Okay, guys, we're going to take a break. For the judges, we'll meet here in 10 minutes, so don't go far.
זה השם שלה.
Astor.